Welcome back. Amount of an annuity sinking fund schedules. The sinking fund schedule is just a record of how our money accumulates if we put money away periodically, like at the end of each month or at the end of each year. We looked at this problem before. Suppose we put $500 into an account at the end of each year for 40 years. We could, for instance, save up money periodically or have a little bit of money taken out of our paycheck, and when we get to the end of the year, we can take the $500, put it into a mutual fund, for instance. We assume interest is 8%. If it's in a stock fund, it's not guaranteed, but you can make an assumption for forecasting purposes. And at the end, we have $129,528. That would be a guess. If this was a contract at 8%, it would be that. Or if it was a forecast, maybe we'd be near that. So we have payment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to do a few payments so you understand how this works. We're obviously not going to do 40. If we were going to do 40, you'd probably use a spreadsheet or something. Beginning principal, $0.00. The interest rate is 8%. 0.08, you can copy that all the way down as far as you want to go. Interest, we multiply principal times interest. 0 times 8% is 0 for the first year. Then the end of the year comes along, and we're going to put a payment of 500 in. And in the end, we have $500. Keep in mind, in this case, we will have, this is a positive, interest is a positive, payment is a positive. Everything's going into the account. There are no debits here, nothing's coming out. So, ending principal we carry down here. Beginning principal for the next period. Times 0.08, 8% of $500 is $40. Okay, and we make a payment of 500. And then we have to add 500 and 500 is 1,000 plus 40. We have 1,040 and 0 cents. Carry that down here, 1,040, 0, 0. You can put dollar signs there if you really want. Okay, and then 8% of 1,040, that's actually 83.20. Okay, 8% of 1,000 is 80, and 8% of 40 is $3.20. And again, you can multiply 1040 times 0.08, it will give you 83.2. And you can squeeze a dollar sign in there if you want. Payment of $500. Okay, now we have to add 500 plus 1,040 is 1,540, and 83.20 is 1623.20. Okay, you can add that up. And 500, you get 23,216. 1623.20, I got that right. Then of course we copy that down here, 1623.20, and I'll just say, etc. Now if this sinking fund schedule were to continue, we have 40 payments. It seems like it's going pretty slow, but once this money accumulates, it accelerates. It's exponential growth, actually. After 40 payments, we would have 129,528. There'd probably be a few cents on the end, but I rounded that off before. That's how much this would accumulate. If you look at the balance, it starts out slow and then it really, really accelerates at the end. So that's a sinking fund schedule. We'll be back for a third video on actually calculating some of these amounts with a formula. That's all for this video.